Hi Flashers, this is Elsie and you're watching Elsie tutorial. So for today's video, we are going to install the Prometheus ROM. This is version 3, the final version of the ROM itself. And yeah, this is now the lock screen of the ROM actually. And also, this is now the bloatware. Some of the applications here are from the Samsung itself, and also there is a Play Store, Google, and a Chrome, and also there is a YouTube Vents, and the most important thing, the Samsung Music, and also the video, the camera. So this is now my apps. These 3 apps here are downloaded: the Triple Info, AD64, and the Share It itself. So now let's proceed into the settings. But before that, guys, there is a different thing here. Look at the position of the battery and the signal indicators. This is so different from other ROM that I flash or install in this device. So let's now proceed into the notification panel or control center. Here you go. So actually, naka dark mode po ito. So this, here you go, meron siyang smart view, Wi-Fi sound, Bluetooth portrait, flight mode, the basic features. And there is the disturb sync, Dolby Atmos, and night mode. Naka-on po yung night mode, and the night mode is working. Yan. And also there is a navigation bar if you want navigation, on-screen navigation bar here. You just click this thing there. But if you don't want the navigation bar in the screen, just disable. Here you go. And most of the things here are working anyways. And second thing is settings. We're gonna go into the settings right now. And the connection. So actually, SIM cards, Wi-Fi, and data is working, and also the Bluetooth is working in this room. Hotspot is also working, and we now go into the about phone. So this ROM, guys, is based on Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The model number is SMN975F, and the software information is, this is based on Android 9.5. Let's see here. And another thing, this is One UI 1.5 version. And the kernel that is using is the kernel or Kraken kernel RC12. And the Android security patch of this ROM is November 1, 2019. So it's quite outdated, but yeah, we must be thankful because Samsung G7 Prime is too old to have Android 9. And then we will now go into the battery information. So we all know that G7 Prime is or has the battery of 3300 mAh, but look at the information shows here. The battery capacity is, what the fuck, focus bitch, is 4000, my goodness, 4000 mAh. Sorry. So the first thing that I noticed in this room, guys, is very smooth and also fast, and also I think stable. This will be used as the daily driver or the daily usage. It could also be used as gaming, I think. And so let me check here into the ADA64. The system here, look. This is another system. The CPU, this is ARM Cortex, and look at the speed, 1.794 MHz. And also Yeah, interactive S9 yung governor niya. And parang mali naman yung technology. Dynamic AMOLED. I think this is just based on the room information. And also 60 Hz po yung refreshing rate niya. Yan. So yan. Yan lang po. And punta naman tayo sa camera, guys. Camera is working. Look. Camera is working. And also there is a Pro here. Meron din siyang HDR, panorama, food, night. And meron din siyang anti-fog, hyperlapse, sports, rear cam selfie. Yung photo niya, guys, is pwede mo siyang ma-zoom into 2 times. Yan. So the room is really good. So let's now proceed to the installation guide. So guys, this is now the installation guide. So first thing is boot your phone into the recovery mode by pressing the power button, volume, app, and home button at the same time. There you go. And then go to this delete icon here. Just and go to the format data. Type yes. Yeah. And next step is check the Dalvik cache system vendor data internal storage. There you go. And then after that, guys, copy the files, which is the Prometheus version 3 ROM via USB cable. Okay, so we're now done copying the file, so let's check. Here you go, the Prometheus version 3. This is for Samsung G610X or Y because my device is Y. And then let's proceed to the installation, guys. Just click this and then flash. And welcome, this is now the AROMA installer. So click the next. Agree. And then just wait this, guys. So here you go, the change log. Oh my god, focus. I need focus. Okay. This is now the changelog 1UI version 3 rebase. Here. And the kernel is Kronos kernel version 5. Next, click lang yung next and then okay. And then you can choose here, yes, I want to do a full white, and choose white or black automation. And also here you can choose dual speaker, volume boost. Yan. And then you can customize here whatever you want, and I want a good luck 2019. Next. And also you can select here the different Samsung bloatware, Google app, Toolkit, and it could be One UI emoji, iOS, or Google Pay. One UI and then Samsung fonts. There you go. No navigation gestures. And then just wait until the extracting is finished. So we're now done the installation guide, and then click finish. So guys, if you want me to do how to root this room via Magis, let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe into my channel, turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Like, share, and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you again next video. But one more thing, hintayin muna natin matapos to.